Hello fellow traders, so Nvda part 3, made the video here, obviously went down a few days, then another array turning point went up. So I always say once you get into a trade, you have to know what's your exit point. Once we took out the high of this bar 78.933, then obviously it's gonna go higher. Now as you can see, until the 5th March. So and then monthlies on the 11th March. My point being is I made a lot of mistakes also. It's not perfect, the system, but let you at least have some form of prediction in the future. Because it's not the system that's wrong, but by interpretation of it. So I was thinking it's gonna keep going down, but notice 70.8505 and we close 70.8701. So obviously it closed higher than the lowest close. So you can see there was a bounce. So just get lucky out there. 5th March looks something is coming up. On the daily, 12th March might be the highest. Trade your own stuff, do your own research, and start with your exit point. What's your exit? How much you prepare to lose in case you're wrong, or this in my case I was wrong.